Now, let's focus on your business or taxpayer information. You will need to have your signed and completed W-9 form ready to upload before getting started. If you have not completed your W-9, please visit www.irs.gov. Search W-9 from the main page and select the link to the form. Please check the form's revision date in the top left corner and ensure it lists a date after October 2018. Use this chart to help determine what information you should enter for your legal name, alias or doing business as DBA name, tax classification, and taxpayer identification number. A copy can be found in the Doing Business with the City section of our website. If you are an individual, sole proprietor, or a single-member limited liability company, LLC, your legal name must appear in line 1, and the alias or DBA name can be added to line 2. The appropriate tax classification box should be checked, and you should provide your Social Security or employer ID number. A single-member LLC is an LLC owned by an individual person. If you have questions about which type of LLC your company is, feel free to contact Vendor Registration for assistance. If the tax classification of your company is a C Corp, S Corp, partnership, trust and estate, or an LLC with a tax classification of a C Corp, S Corp, or partnership, you can add your company name in line 1 and any alias or DBA in line 2. The appropriate tax classification box should be checked, and you should provide your employer ID number. For nonprofits, your nonprofit name should appear in line 1, and the alias or DBA name can be added to line 2. Other should be selected for the tax classification. You should state Nonprofit Corporation Exempt under IRS Code Section 501c3, 501c6, or the specific tax code that qualifies your nonprofit. Make sure you add your full address in lines 5 and 6. When your form is complete, print it out and manually sign and date it at the bottom. This must be done because we are not able to accept digital signatures. You may scan the signed document and save it to your computer or take a picture with the camera of a mobile device. Once your W-9 is ready, you can go back to the application and use the drop-down menu to select your business structure. Based on your business structure, the fields on this page will change. Individuals, sole proprietors, and single-member LLCs should enter the first name and last name that appear in line 1 of the W-9. All other entities should enter the business or organization name in the legal/company name field. Go on to enter your taxpayer ID number, which is either your employer ID or Social Security number. Now you can upload your signed W-9. Next, you will have the option to identify as a small and minority-owned business and/or a service-disabled veteran business enterprise. You can use the drop-down menu to select if you are certified in Texas by another agency and select the gender and ethnicity of the owner. You can also check the box and identify the owner as a veteran, someone with an accessibility need, and/or a City of Austin employee. If your business is certified as a historically underutilized business, HUB, by the state of Texas, and at least 51% owned by one or more service-disabled veterans, you could be eligible for the Service Disabled Veteran Business Enterprise SDVBE program. If you believe you may not qualify but are not sure, select the checkbox and contact us for more information. You're done! You have completed the business information section of your registration. You can save the changes and continue the process.